entertainment, take me. I could have $1,000,000, but it wouldn't save me. Nothing would change me. Being back and forth through the own history. I can have it every day, bitch.
This is a great master.
You should check this, think this right before you bring it back. Open up and take with your heart like a heart attack. Break it down, open up, let them know you live in sin. Tell the truth, and one more time, I'ma say again. Bring it back, watch your back, cause I only knew I could tell you the truth, but I never knew where you been, where you grew through, how you ever stood there. All I ever see is how you carry yourself, because I've been there, like the wind blowing across your back. You stand on 10 toes, and I feel that you got that. You got the memories of all the things that I need. You got everything when I'm trying to fly, B. I'm looking out the window, I get another deal. I never need no scope, cause I'm only hitting steel. I carry heavy metal, cause the day will be arranged. Every time I ever get a drop from the rain, feel my shit, cause my shit only look to play. I tell the truth, and these other niggas hate me, man. I'm running out that shit, trying to hold my dog up on. I gotta get it straight every time I ever ride. I'm looking every day, cause I only see the strain. All I ever felt, all I ever see was strain. Every day's a hustle, and I do it another way. I gotta keep it straight, I gotta keep it straight. Hold me in my eyes when you talk and conversate. I hope you tell me all the truth, so we walk today side by side as a team that I dream when I see. I'm in my nightmares, but only hear them silent screams. Every time I ever dip, cause I dip long. I pistol rip on steering wheels until I take it on. I'm at another challenge, I'm ready to take them daily. I can't ever stop because they never pay me. Now here on the grind, doing what I got to do. I'm in the middle of the bitter love I'm pushing through. So you can never try to stop, no. I'm climbing all the way to the top before I ruin those murder fools. Take it to another day, open up and let them see, cause I explain my way. There's more on one side of every story you should know. Every trip and every drop is just another problem, ho. Every day of all the pain that I deal with. Going through this shit back and forth, I heal this. And I carry as I keep it cause I'm cold blind.
Purchase your tracks
Motherfucking gun right on my side.
today.
I'm 40 caliber, I couldn't challenge her. There's anybody living in the matrix, I know. I'll be getting it and holding still, I'm real. I think they understand that I can get a feel. Push it on the wheel, cause my